Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got a little mini vacuum. Let's go down and check it out. Alright, so here's the mini cordless desktop vacuum. And that's how it looks. It's got here dust capacity 100 mil, suction power 4.5k, voltage is DC 8.4 volts, working time 15 minutes, charging time 3.5 hours. Wow, that's a lot, that's a lot, isn't it? Battery type lithium 2000 mAh by 2, and charging cable length 90 centimeters. Alright, so open it up. That's the vacuum, cable, manual, and your little extension. Okay, let's take a look at this one first. So you can obviously use it with this nozzle here, or with this brush part here. Alright. Here's the actual vacuum cleaner itself. There's the filter. So warning, this filter does not need to be washed frequently. Okay. There's a little marker right there and a little marker here as well, so you line them up and it's got the lock position. Right, so oh, by the way, this is where you charge it from. So it's got a little rubbery lanyard here in the back, and let's see if this connects. That goes in like that. And it doesn't have any batteries. It's completely dead. Oh, here we go. So it's not too loud. I just had a little bit of a read of the manual, and it doesn't say too much, just how to, well, you need to charge it fully first before you start using it. It doesn't tell me what the light indicator, if there's different colors to let me know if it's running out of batteries. It's okay, I mean, it's only for the keyboards, so obviously for the keyboards I would have it there. Long press to start it, and that's it. It's alright, I mean, it'll get rid of the dust anyway, and that's basically what I want it for. But that's it, really. So it'll be in the description, guys, if you want to check it out yourselves. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and make sure you like the video and comment down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.